your automatic thoughts. They already come in your head because you spent a lot of time in your past on the what if thoughts. You cannot control the thoughts that come inside of your head, but you can control if you talk back. The past algorithm already brings you the what if thoughts automatically, no matter what you do. You have to accept that. They're just thoughts. They have nothing, they don't mean nothing about you. If you make them mean something about you, you're activating them again, right here. You're activating them again if you make them mean something about you, or if you try to solve them, if you're trying to fix them, or if you hate on them. So if you talk back, the brain will give you more. What you want to do instead is use your focus moment by moment. This is a moment-to-moment practice right here. And you moment by moment only change that algorithm. And this is not to get rid of these thoughts. If you're still trying to get rid of the thoughts, if you're still doing this process to get rid of the thoughts, you're still showing your brain that you care about the thoughts. So you don't do this to get rid of the thoughts. You use your focus to bring it to the present moment on the valued actions. And you want to start in the beginning of the day. Because if you start your day with rumination, talking back to the what ifs, you build a snowball, a big, big snowball, and it gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, and you create more future what ifs. And this is why we this is proactive, because you proactively set the valued actions that you do, no matter the emotions. But this side here is reactive, and this side here will always create more of the pattern of the old algorithm. So if you want to change the algorithm, you want to use your focus moment by moment to focus on the valued actions. That's why the no brain method in my book is so great, because you say, no brain, we're walking right now. No brain, we're doing this right now. In the moment you say no brain, you actually show yourself that you're not identified with this algorithm, with the what if thoughts, which separates you from the algorithm. It separates you from those thoughts. Because if you identified with them, you lost. You don't know that you're this, and you just react to all of these things. That's how people go to jail, because they identify with those thoughts and emotions and just react on them, right? So by saying no brain, you already show yourself, oh, this is not me. And then you say, no brain, we're walking right now. We're at the gym doing chest press right now. We're cleaning right now. We're cooking right now. And you do that moment by moment. Not to get rid of those thoughts again, because if you're trying to get rid of the thoughts, you're showing the algorithm still that you care about them. This is what you want to spend your time on the left side. The valued actions, your life, what you want to spend your time on. If you keep trying to fix the right side, the brain's like, oh, you love fixing the right side, which is the old toxic algorithm, and the brain gives you more what if thoughts constantly. But you also need to stop checking if the what if thoughts or emotions are still there, because even the checking, so that's why you want to make the measure of success the valued actions. Does it make sense, everyone? How much time will it take? That's not a good question to ask. That's like saying, how much time do I have to be in the gym? You want to be in the gym forever. This is a practice that will help. And this is a practice of living your life, by the way. And there's no alternative. There's no alternative. Because if you keep trying to do the what ifs, if you keep trying to fix the emotions, if you keep trying to get relief, you just keep practicing emotional weakness, and you keep practicing the algorithm of the past. But no matter when you start, in the beginning it's going to be more challenging because the algorithm is really big in the beginning. But over time, you learn how to accept those emotions and be okay with being uncomfortable and act on the valued actions. Your algorithm changes. And then your brain supports more living your life. This side here is living your life. This side here is fixing emotions and thoughts and living life based on emotions and thoughts and creating more reactivity and making those emotions and thoughts bigger and bigger and bigger and creating ADHD, OCD, spending more time inside of your head, creating more stories, not getting over a breakup because you constantly go back to the past, spending time inside of your head. The brain gives you then more thoughts because that's what you teach the brain you care about. So you need to teach the brain that you care about something else. You guys got it? look at us. We have now the access to the drawings. And no, it doesn't look like a 4-year-old drew this. And even if it did, it makes sense, which is the most important thing. I just have to uncover the cheat code for more colors. Oh, here's another pen I can add. A highlighter, a pencil. Oh, wow. We're uncovering things. This is good. I liked it.